Hi, I'm Julie with Limitless Van, and I'm here today with Zwölfi. Zwölfi is the first 144 Sprinter that Limitless Van has built out, and we're so excited to show you inside. This van was built off of our Juniper layout, but just like all our builds, it has all the fun, custom finish choices. Let's go inside. Starting in the front, we installed Shieldman seats. We also installed heat warmers and then the ClimaCool function. Up top, we have a headliner shelf. We designed and built this in-house with multiple layers for storage. Let's keep moving back. One of the most fun aspects of building a custom van is the finish choices. So our clients chose this powder coat. It's a fun color, different from your typical white or black. And then they also chose a really fun fabric, which we love, on their upholstered bench by Rome Rest. Underneath the bench is a Trolino toilet. If you are interested in different toilet options, we have a blog on this subject that discusses lots of different van toilet options. They have a microwave over here, and then this is a cabinet that was custom for a coffee maker. On the other side of the van, we have the kitchen galley with an isotherm refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and then the extra large deep sink. I love the extra large sinks. It's a game changer for washing dishes. We also have a flip-up countertop. And something we haven't seen in any other van builds that we do in-house here is cutting board storage built into the countertop. Like in all our builds, this has the Murphy bed that also flips up into a lounge space. The overhead cabinets have momentary lights that flip on and off. And making you extra comfortable in this van, we have the Rixen's hydronic system with heated floors, a max air fan, Nomadic air conditioner, and Sirocco fan, so you're gonna be fully comfortable in this build. And like all our builds, it has the Guzzle H2O water filter. These are all powered by a 10 kilowatt hour battery package paired with a Nations alternator and high idle kit, so there's rapid charging no matter where you are. This is all controlled by the Garmin Core Control Panel, created in partnership with Artec Energy. Before I show you the garage space, we have a flip down table and this exterior outlet, which provides all sorts of functionality. Let's show you the rear. The garage is home to our water cabinet, which has an exterior shower, and our battery cabinet. And like all garage spaces, we love having a pull-out tray for all your gear. This van also has an Alpine dual audio system powered by both the house battery and the vehicle battery, allowing you to use it while in drive or parked. The exterior features in this van include this Owl Vans rear tire carrier, the Rome-built roof rack, a Van Compass Stage 4.3 suspension with inverted rally struts, Owl Vans trail side steps, and a Fiamma awning. Thank you so much for joining us on this van tour. Go ahead and like and subscribe to see all our van content. We'll see you on the next adventure.